Kailangan po ba na 5 days before ang application ng SPL leave? Interesting question from Sir about special privilege leave application. Ilang days ba talaga mag-file? May research tayo no sa tanong ninyo and may 7 example tayo sa special privilege leave ng mga government employees. Please watch the full video, sir. All right, let's get started. Unang-una po, ang video content natin ay based sa research no sa website ni Supreme Court e-Library. Yan po, CSC Memorandum Circular number 6, 1996, March 21, 1996. Special privileges. So diyan natin nakuha yung mga information sa video content natin today. Kasi last time I researched sa website din ng Civil Service Commission. So may nagawa tayo na previous video about special privilege leave. So this time, Supreme Court e-Library. Moving forward, so may 7 example tayo sa special privilege leave. These are the following. Number 1, birthday leave. Number 2, graduation leave. Number 3, enrollment leave. Number 4, wedding or anniversary leave. Number 5, relocation leave. Number 6, funeral or mourning leave. And number 7, hospitalization leave. So yan po yung mga leave natin no na pwede sa special privilege leave na mga government employees. So kung hindi kayo aware nito, now you know, friends. So ang tanong ni Sir kanina, 5 days before ba ang filing of leave ng SPL? Answer, ayan po, no? Subject to the following conditions. So number 1 muna tayo. That the employee may be granted a maximum of 3 days within a calendar year. Yes, friends, ang special privilege leave natin, 3 days talaga yan within the year or calendar year. So, pwede siya straight, 3 days. Pwede rin staggered or 1 day sa January, 1 day sa March, and 1 day sa November. So, any month po, 1 day, depende po sa inyo. Okay, number 2, that such special privileges shall be non-cumulative and non-commutable. Anong ibig sabihin yan? When you say non-cumulative, hindi pwede na hindi mo i-avail yan this year, tapos i-add on next year ang leave. Hindi po pwede. So, kailangan po i-avail talaga within the year or calendar year. So for example, this year, 2024, i-avail mo talaga yung 3 days na special privilege leave. Hindi pwede na, hindi ko muna i-avail nito this year, next year na lang. Hindi po pwede yan. And non-commutable, ibig sabihin, not convertible to cash. Di ba may monetization of leave tayo, right? Applicable lang yon sa sick leave and vacation leave. Itong special privilege leave, non-commutable ito or non-convertible to cash. Alright? So ito na, number 3, sir. Ito na yung sagot sa tanong mo. Number 3, that the employee shall seek approval of the application for the said special privileges for at least 1 week prior to the availment of the SPL except on emergency cases. So ito na yung sagot sa tanong mo, sir, no? 5 days before ba ang filing? Actually, 1 week before, sir, prior to the availment of the SPL, except on emergency cases. So, yung ano ba yung emergency cases? Yung kanina, yung example natin, yung funeral leave or mourning leave. So, considered yan na emergency. Yung hospitalization leave and relocation leave. Yan, pasok yan sa emergency cases. Alright? So, hope na nasagot ko yung question niyo, sir. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless. And 2 thumbs up.